Yeah, that was good, Albert.
Yeah, thank you.
I saw something recently here in Victoria as a possible thing happening, and that's wind hydro in the sea in Bass Strait, just east of Wilson's Promontory. And there's a, exploration permit to check potential foundations. And it's an area about 35 kilometres by, I think, 70, about 500 square kilometres. And they'd have enough hydro to do equivalent of 1.2 million homes. And the people, private enterprise doing this, have done it before overseas. So they, one would expect they wouldn't get themselves into a lot of strife.
Actually, I think Australia, instead of selling our ore, we should be able to sell hydrogen.
Yeah. Well, that was in this article too about creating green hydrogen, whatever that might mean.
Yeah.
Obviously a different process if that can be developed.
Using solar energy to produce hydrogen through electrolysis, and then use that hydrogen as a fuel, for example, for airplanes. That idea come to me last night when I was researching this. If I remember correctly, 1 kilogram of kerosene, which is the current fuel used by airplane, has about 43 megajoules. But if 1 kilogram of liquid hydrogen, it will have over 1,000 megajoules. So that will be 200 times, almost 200 times more dense in terms of energy. So if somebody can develop a mechanism for us to just get a hydrogen from a nearby sea, package it and sell it to whoever need to fly an airplane, then we will be very rich.
And Albert, I presume the hydrogen would be a lot lighter than an oil fuel, like a solid kerosene.
Yeah.
Not a solid, liquid kerosene that they use.
Yeah. Of course, there are challenges, but for example, the container for liquid hydrogen has to be pressure proof, whereas for kerosene, it is just a plastic bag at the moment at the wings. So the airplane have to be redesigned, but instead of using hydrocarbon, by switching over to hydrogen, it will be very clean because hydrogen burns to make water. So it should be. Next time we were looking at the wind power and the solar power panels. After that, we will discuss the problems with all this renewable mix. But at the meantime, I want to give you guys a homework to do. Sorry, let me answer the phone first. Hello? 做咩啊？未啊？Sorry, my daughter is buying me a lunch. Okay. What? Now, in 2008, the global financial crisis, we know that no large bank has ever been sued, but they did sue one bank, a small one, a very small one. Somebody had made a documentary. The documentary title is called "Small Enough to Jail." The documentary is about 1.5 hours long. I don't want to show the documentary here, so I would rather ask you to watch your documentary anytime in the next 3 weeks, and then we will discuss it 4 weeks later. Would that be okay for you guys?
Yep, that's fine, Albert.
Okay, so I'm now using the chat group to send you the URL. So anyone interested, you can get it from here. At the same time, I will also be sending out the message through our normal channels. Okay, so at the moment, I have just sent it out, so you can see it in your chat. This is the URL for the video. Now, although the video might look Chinese to you, but it is a English documentary, so don't be scared by the title. Okay?
Yes, it's fine, Albert.
Okay, any other question? No? Okay, good. In that case, see you next week then.
All right. Thank you, Albert, again.
Thank you.
All the best and enjoy your week.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.